Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to introduce you to the ultimate kitchen upgrade, the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus Rotisserie. If you're looking for an all-in-one appliance that can handle everything from air frying and baking to dehydrating and even rotisserie cooking, then this is the product for you. Imagine having one appliance that lets you air fry your favorite crispy fries, roast a succulent chicken, dehydrate fruits for healthy snacks, and even bake your favorite desserts, all with one easy-to-use system. With its extra-large 10-liter capacity, you can prepare meals for the whole family or meal prep for the week without breaking a sweat. This appliance is powered by advanced technology that ensures your food cooks evenly and quickly. With customizable settings, you can adjust the temperature from 50 degrees Celsius up to 450 degrees in precise increments. Whether you want a light crisp or a deep golden brown finish, you have full control at your fingertips. And with 17 preset options built into the digital touchscreen, selecting the perfect mode for fries, chicken, or even a rotisserie roast is as simple as tapping a button. One of the best features is the ability to customize the heating zones. You can adjust the upper and lower heaters independently from 0 to 100%, so you can create the ideal cooking environment for any dish. For example, you could set the bottom heaters higher to achieve that perfectly crispy pizza crust while keeping the top heaters lower to melt the cheese just right. Worried about cleanup? Don't be! The non-stick, dishwasher-safe parts make cleaning a breeze, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. Plus, the large easy view window and interior lights let you monitor your food's progress, ensuring every meal comes out exactly as you envision. Now, here's something really important. Always buy original products and stay away from copies to ensure you receive the high-quality performance and durability that CHEFMAN is known for. I've shared the official product link in the description below, so you know you're getting the real deal, not a cheap knockoff. With all these incredible features packed into one appliance, the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus Rotisserie is perfect for anyone who loves to cook. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prepping pro, or just someone who enjoys great food. So why wait? Click the link below, grab your CHEFMAN Air Fryer Plus today, and transform your kitchen experience forever. Happy cooking!